Hey, it's Rusty. Thanks for tuning into Burning Cereal. Today, what we have for you is a dish that Kirsten and I really like. We both love Asian food, and we're going to make this super easy Korean barbecue chicken. We're going to be using the air fryer today, but this one is super easy to put together. We have a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, onion powder, light soy sauce. We have crushed garlic, some sesame oil. This is keto honey, so there's no sugar. Little bit of black pepper, some sesame seeds. At the end, if your stomach can handle it, this is a ground chili paste. I'll use it on mine. Kirsten won't use it on hers. But we're gonna put all this together in the air fryer, and it's as easy as all right, so I told you how easy this was. We're basically just taking all this stuff and gonna mix it up in this bowl. So come on in close and let's do that now. We're gonna start with the chicken. From the chicken, we're gonna add about a quarter cup of soy sauce. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons, or no, I'm sorry, a quarter cup of honey, Some sesame oil, about a tablespoon of that. A couple of teaspoons of some onion powder. 3 tablespoons of garlic, teaspoon of black pepper, about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And we're gonna just mix all of this up. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this chicken, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for a little bit. We can put this in the air fryer right away, or you can let it marinate overnight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and as my air fryer is heating up, that's gonna be my marinade time. So probably 6-7 minutes. So let me go do that, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that the air fryer is preheated, we're gonna go ahead and layer this chicken in. If you have a little bit of the glaze left over, you can give it a quick run on the top. Now we're going to put this right back into our air fryer. We're going to set this at 380. We're going to go for 19 minutes, and halfway through, we're going to flip it. That's about halfway, so we're going to give it a flip. Put it back in and cook it the rest of the way. So I shortened it by about 3 minutes. So we went 380 for probably 14 minutes. Now I'm just gonna take them out, let them rest just a little bit, and then we'll slice them up. All right, so here it is. Now, when we air fried it, we started it at, I think it was 18 minutes. In our air fryer, we stopped it at about 14 minutes and it was completely done. So just know that every air fryer is different. Ours is a Savory 5-quart. And again, it was 380 for about 14 minutes and it worked fine. My recommendation is after about 12 minutes, pull it out, temp it, give it a look and see what it's like. But its plate is burning the bottom of my hands. It's boiling hot still. Let's give it a try. I did put a little bit of chili paste on top. The chili paste is spicy. I'm gonna try it without the chili paste. It's really good, but let's give it a try without. That's really good, and the amount of effort that went into making this, I mean, you can't go wrong with this. You can taste the honey. You get that saltiness from the soy. But this is really good, super cheap, super fast. You can't go wrong with this. If you want to lower the carbs, instead of using rice, put it in a lettuce wrap. Just chop it up into cubes, put it in a lettuce wrap, eat it like that. That would probably be phenomenal. We haven't done that. Maybe we should try that. But again, super simple, 5-10 minutes worth of prep. About 15 minutes in the air fryer and you're golden. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe. I really appreciate all of you guys and we'll see you next time.